Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set your Instagram account public. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Now go to your account. Now here you can see menu. Click on this. In this page, you can see here account privacy. Go for it. If you want to set your Instagram account public, you just have to turn off the button. Now press on switch to public. That's it. So this is how to set your Instagram account public. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.